Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How is it vibing? So as already evident from the title, we are gonna talk about Shein alternatives. We really got sad when Shein got banned, and I personally used to shop from there a lot. My wardrobe is 50% of Shein clothes. So to be honest, we do not have any particular app as such, alternative of Shein. But yeah, there are many apps here and there which caters the Shein like items. So before we get started, there is this app called Shein which hasn't been launched yet. It will be launching on 15th of this month, and it is marketing itself as the Indian alternative of Shein. So if you're interested, keep an eye on the Instagram page. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started. I've been waiting for you. So the first brand that I'm gonna talk about is obviously Ajio. To be very honest, Ajio really got sidelined because of all the attention that we were given to Shein. The variety Ajio provides will blow your mind. It's insane. It has something for everyone. It has branded items like Levi's and Forever 21. It also has affordable items. The prices were as low as $250. The clothes ranges from basics to trendy. The collection is really chic. It has something for everyone, and it also has offers going on all the time. Like Shein also used to have like minimum 80%, minimum 70%. The bags collection is really great. I mean, those shoulder bags that Shein used to have, we do not have alternative for them till now. But those ones which were like transparent ones with colorful pouch inside, Ajio has those. And their shoes collection, I mean, go and fall in love with them. They are amazing. This stilettos collection is very great. They have some great stilettos, sneakers, you name it and they have it. So the next app that we are gonna talk about is Koovs. I mean, Koovs have some really trendy and quirky clothes collection. You will find those sheer and mesh blouses and tops that you used to get on Shein. You will get some quirky printed tops, then those puffy sleeves and off-shoulder tops, sequin tops, satin blouses, what not. And the prices are also really affordable. Like it ranges from $250 and all. So it's really cool and amazing. It has some really groovy, chunky sneakers and boots. Sale is going on every time. So we are always up for something. So the app next up is Street Style Store. I'm sure you must have heard about it. Again, very affordable. Their clothing collection is amazing. I mean, they have some really cool basic collections. So please go and check them out. But I wanted to give them a shout out for their shoes. I mean, you'll fall in love with them. Their flats collection is to die for. I mean, they have those mules flats, those ballet flats, then those ruffle flats which are very trendy right now, and also their sneakers. I mean, they are super affordable. They're just for like $8.99 or $9.99. I mean, they are worth every penny. Next app that we are going to talk about is Mizamo. Back then, a lot of influencers used to collab with them. Think about Avneet Kaur. One thing is that the collection is really huge. So you need to take your time out and do some research. They have like something for everyone. 90s inspired stuff and then some boho stuff. So you really need to take out your time and go through them. So yes, when you shop from that particular app, make sure that you have a lot of spare time and you really dig inside the website to see what you like and what you not. Yeah, that's it. So another app is Lulu and Sky. Their collection is not that vast as Shein or the other apps, but they have some really cool collection of jumpsuits, dresses, and the winter wears are really affordable, and their customer service is also very good. They do their deliveries within 2 to 3 days. So the next app that I'm gonna talk about is Burger Bay. I'm pretty sure that you must have come across it while scrolling through your Instagram. So the whole clothing line is those full of Instagram baddie vibes, those 90 inspired vibes. So if that is a vibe, please go and check them out. They have those cool graphic t-shirts, those crop tops, busted crop tops, tank tops, but I think it is a bit pricier because the price range is like 600 to 700 for graphic t-shirt, and according to me it's a bit pricey, but if you can afford it and you think it's fine, then well and good, you should really go and check it out. So the next app that we are going to talk about is Urbanic. According to me, the clothing line of Urbanic comes closest to Shein, but I think it's a bit pricier. But if you really want some Shein line clothes, you really should go and check out Urbanic. It has those party wears that you used to see on Shein, and also those trendy tops with ruffles and all. Urbanic has it all. So the next app that we are going to talk about is Essa Store. The homepage is very similarly designed as Shein, and I also spotted some very Shein-like clothes on their website. They have those laser cut designs, those floral design, pearl detailed ones, then those lace detailed ones. And I also would like to give a shout out to their sunglass collection. They have some cool retro and quirky sunglasses that I would highly recommend. So the next app is Urban Suburban. If you are a jumpsuit person, you should really go and check them out. They have a cool collection of jumpsuits and dresses at very affordable prices. Now I would like to talk about some brands on Myntra which provides some really funky styles. So the first one is Street 9, which is my favorite on Myntra. They provide such fashionable and trendy clothes at such great prices. The next one is Popnetic. Again, some very cool designs. Then you have Tokyo Talkies. They are really picking up on trends fast. 1 year ago, the designs weren't that great, but I think now it has improved a lot. Vinny Vedi Visi. It is again a really cool brand on Myntra, and I would highly recommend. Dressberry. Dressberry has some cool accessories also, and their clothing line is also top notch. Highly recommended. Then you have Roadster, of course, for some cool t-shirts and jeans at such amazing price. So next up, I would like to talk about accessories. We all know that Shein was a great place to shop accessories from. It has some really cool neck pieces and some really dainty earrings and all. So for those, I would recommend two brands. First is everstylish.com. It has those dainty gold and silver earrings, also statement earrings, and it also has a few collection of layered neck pieces, and prices are as low as ₹99. So yes, we are up for that. Next one is Mapra Jewelries. So on everstylish.com, you won't find that much variety for your layered neck pieces and chokers, but Mapra Jewelries has got your back. It has some cool layered neck pieces and also some cool chokers at very affordable prices. I mean, the price range is very similar to Shein. So yes, I think that will be a great shop your accessories from. So yes, that's it for today, guys. I really hope this video was enjoyable and useful for you guys. I know this video was a bit long, but I want to cover all the segments in this. So if you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.